Ever pondered about preparing for emergencies when money is tight? It may seem daunting, but it's entirely possible. Today, we'll journey through the 7 top ways to prepare for emergencies on a budget. First on the list is to start small. Right now, money is tight for a lot of folks. Don't get frustrated when you see things you need. There are options. It's essential not to overwhelm yourself. Begin by picking up an extra can of beans, a pack of batteries, or a gallon of water during your regular grocery run. Be disciplined and you will see progress. Over time, these small additions will accumulate into a substantial emergency stockpile. The second tip is to buy in bulk. Purchasing items in larger quantities often results in cost savings in the long run. Consider splitting the cost with a friend or neighbor if storage space or upfront cost is an issue. Thirdly, utilize coupons and sales. Keep an eye on store circulars and online deals. This will allow you to stock up on supplies when they're at their cheapest. Fourth on our list is to grow your own. Planting a fruit and vegetable garden can be a fun and cost-effective way to build up your food stockpile. Plus, it provides a sustainable food source. Fifth, learn DIY skills. Simple skills like sewing, gardening, or basic home repairs can save a lot of money in the long run. Plus, these skills will prove invaluable in an emergency situation. Sixth, invest in quality, not quantity. It might be tempting to buy the cheapest items, but sometimes investing in higher quality goods can save you money in the long run. A sturdy backpack for a bug-out bag, for example, might cost more upfront, but will last longer and perform better than a cheaper alternative. Lastly, plan and prioritize. Make a list of what you need and stick to it. This will help you avoid impulse purchases and ensure you're investing in the right supplies. So let's recap. Start small, buy in bulk, utilize coupons and sales, grow your own, learn DIY skills, invest in quality, not quantity, and plan and prioritize. Remember, preparing for emergencies doesn't have to break the bank. With these 7 tips, you can begin to build your emergency supply kit without straying from your budget. It's all about being resourceful, planning ahead, and making smart choices. Prepare. Magazine has a huge archive of resources to help you with your preparedness. Get a totally free 1-year subscription at preparemagazine.com. Stay safe, stay prepared, and remember, every little bit helps when it comes to emergency preparedness.